Hello everybody, it's Allie, and today we're opening packages because I recently went online shopping and I got a lot of stuff since I got rid of a lot of stuff in my closet clean out video. It's like midnight, but I can't sleep without opening these packages because I've been waiting. I literally feel kind of crazy. I don't think I've ever recorded a video this late, but we're gonna go through with it anyways. If it sounds like I'm running out of breath, it's because I just went up and down the stairs like 3 times. I need to get my blood rushing before I started this video, and I thought that would help. And instead, I just feel like it did. So, yes, we're gonna open some packages. Yes. Yes. I've been trying to like forget what I even bought. That way it'll be like a big surprise when I open everything, which obviously I already know which ones are shoes. So let's just start with this one. Oh my god, it feels like Christmas. Thanks, Santa. Okay, guys. The back of my shirt looks really weird because I have to tie this up here, and I put on my t-shirt cincher, which I've been getting so many people commenting about what the name is of this, so I'm gonna figure it out and then I'm gonna put the name right here. That way everybody be snatched, you know? Oh my god, mine just came off. Wow, right when I said that too. I'm mad. Wow, these are cosmic. I bought these vintage 1970s wedges because I've just been really into the disco era lately, and what is more symbolic of that time period than these shoes? Am I right? I hope these fit me. I'm about to put them on now. And they're a lot lighter weight than I thought they were gonna be. Oh my god. With these tights too though? I mean, honestly, this whole outfit that I'm wearing right now. Okay, so these were, I believe, 60 bucks with shipping. And considering the time period that they came from, the condition, and just the shoes themselves, like, that is actually really freaking good. Yeah, they definitely have some flaws, but I think you're distracted by the overall vibe of the shoe to even notice any of the flaws. So I'm good. Probably gonna be wearing these all day tomorrow while I'm cooking, while I'm sweeping. Next. Wow. Yes. Oh, I got a little thank you note, and they put it in this plastic. This is legit. Says, thank you, have a magical day. No, thank you. I got these high-waisted shorts. They have this cute embroidery on the back pocket, which kind of got me sold on these. I was watching the 1979 Mad Max movie, and I saw the girl in there was wearing shorts similar to these, and these were the only ones that I could find. And they seem like they would fit me. Kinda don't think they will now. I didn't ask for specific measurements, but I just figured I could probably make it work with a belt anyways if the waist was too big. These ones are by Britannia. Actually, you can tell that these were previously longer and somebody sewed them. I can see that because it's not the same stitching, which at least they did a decent job. Not only does it have that high-waisted fit, but it also has the really high pockets, or nearly no pockets. They're definitely cute, but they don't give me the same vibe as the girl that I saw in the movie. And I feel like I would want the shorts to be shorter. So I don't know. I think I might honestly resell these because I don't know. I don't really like having to sew things, and I definitely don't like to sew vintage items. I just don't want to mess it up. I feel like somebody else would fit these perfectly, and I'd rather that person have it. Ooh, yeah. Hey Color Club, thank you for supporting my shop and being patient. Hope you love these dazzling pants as much as I do. These are very dazzling. Okay, these are like kind of metallic. They kind of flare at the bottom. I just love this shimmery material, which you'll probably find as a current trend in my closet. I don't know if these ones will really fit me. I didn't ask for measurements for these ones either. I'm living some serious pop star vibes in these. Although they were supposed to be like mid to low rise, they're size 9-10, so they fit me more high-waisted, but I think that's still like a good look. I never thought I would be into flare pants ever again in my life. Middle school me right now is like, what the fuck is going on? But you know what? She can shut up. My middle school me can shut up. These are great for taking pictures. I feel like it's so easy to capture the material. Sometimes you get something and you're like, oh my god, this is so cool, and then you try and capture it and it just does not show. But these, I'm not gonna have any problems with. I love the color. What do you think? I got somewhere I belong. I got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. Hey, hey. Thank you. Thank you. I've been getting all these little cute notes. Thank you for being one of my first customers. That's so awesome. A lot of these people are just like random sellers that I was just searching online for literal hours. If I saw it and I liked it, I didn't really care who it came from or if I followed them, I just got it. I wanted to get like a bold colored sheer piece. This was the only one that I found that I really liked. It's a little bit bigger than I thought, but I think it would be fine if I put the little t-shirt cincher on it. But it is a delicate material, so you gotta be careful with what you put these things on because they can rip the fabric. This one is by DMY. I love that it has just the 2 buttons here. I'm gonna layer something underneath, of course. Nobody wants to see all that. I love the color. I love the material. That's exactly what I wanted. Ooh. No note! Just kidding. It's fine. Ooh. So pretty. Oh my god, I love this. This one is even cuter in person. Okay, it's like a crochet netted top and it has bugs on it. So there's a ladybug and a butterfly on the back. There's bees. Okay, so far this might honestly be my favorite one. I wanted to get a lot of pieces that would look cool layered with things, so I'm gonna put literally any colored top underneath this. I'm not one for sequins for real, but the way they did it on this top looks so cute because they look like little flowers on it. This is like such a well-made piece. This is by the collection works of Berek, and it has a beaded collar and everything. The details, okay, the details. You know, at afar, when I first saw it, I was kind of like,
oh, it's like an ugly grandma type thing, but
then I looked at it for another second longer and I realized, wait, I actually really like that. Okay, moving on. Oh, another package. Packageception. Oh, and another package. Let's look at this beautiful packaging. I love how colorful it is and sparkly. Uh-oh. Yes, ma'am. I got these shimmery sheer blue tights. They're just like a really rare thing to find. I think this was like $13 with shipping. I love this color. I love that it's gonna be shimmery. What more can I say? I hope that they're not like too sheer. I like ones that are more opaque. So I hope these don't stretch to the point where it's like just like a slight film on my legs. They're cool, but can you even tell that I'm wearing tights right now? Maybe I don't want to go for the Smurfs look after all. Okay, super excited for this one. I didn't want to look at it all the way because this is a surprise piece. I don't even know what it looks like. I wanted to get one of those air sprayed shirts that have your name on it. The price was like 20 bucks for this shirt and it's custom made. I told her that I wanted it to be kind of like across the chest, like not like in the middle of the shirt, like kind of more up here. I gave her colors that I wanted. I told her purple and green. I also asked for her to put it on like a smaller size shirt because I like my shirts to fit kind of tight. Wow. It definitely is a little bit off to the side. I will say that. It's not in the middle and it's not up here where I wanted it to be, but it is still pretty sick. It's also kind of a bigger shirt, but you know what? It was kind of hard to describe what size I wanted it to be. That is totally fine. I was expecting like a different green, but this neon one is also pretty sick. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm a little disappointed. This is quite obviously off, and I don't see myself actually wearing it. Usually if I wear like an oversized shirt, it has to like cover my butt. This way it's like I can't really tie it up because then you're gonna cover the picture. But then also the picture is like on my back anyways. Maybe I'm just that tired and I can't make a decision in my head what I feel, but in this very moment, I'm not fully satisfied. What do you think? Okay, I got this really cool latex vinyl poly top. It kind of reminded me of Catwoman, but with like a more Y2K vibe. It looked like it would fit me tight. I hope that it still does. Ooh, and I love the zipper in the front. Just this one couple inches. This piece is very unique. I love the V-shaped front. And even the lining in this neon yellow. I feel like in a black light, that would look sick. It makes sounds. I'm glad that it actually fits my boobs and it doesn't look like they're exploding. At least not that much. I like how tight the sleeves fit and they're kind of long, you know? I would have to find an outfit to really go with this, but I can't find anything right now. I want to wear it at least one good time and see how I really feel about it, because right now I'm like, it's cool, but maybe it's not really my thing. Maybe I thought I would feel a little bit more excited about it than I do. I kind of already know what this one is. Allie. Aw. Look at how cute. I wanted to get some beaded jewelry. She actually sent me some earrings to go with it too. I didn't even ask for this. These are super cute. I love that purple. Thank you. These are adorable. I've been a lot more into colorful jewelry, and she made me this ring. It has flowers on it. That's exactly what I wanted. I'm leaving that on. Yes! Oh my god! We got the shimmery disco vibes checked. I think this is gonna fit me so good. I really like square collars on me. I think they're very flattering. I just love the shimmery material and the color scheme. Ugh, and it's like super stretchy too. I hope it fits me like really snug, like tight. It feels like this material is kind of like loose, but we'll make it work. This is from the 70s by Signature for the limited. It says it's a size large, but it looks like a size small medium. It kind of folds over in the front here. I give it 2 thumbs up. Oh, I got a little goodie bag. Oh, with hair clips. This is a bathing suit. I know it's the end of summer, but I saw Megan Thee Stallion post a picture in her bathing suit, and she wore one of these triangle tops, and it looks so flattering on her, and so I just had to get one. I've always been afraid of these tops because I felt like it would just not look good on me, which honestly, looking at it, it still looks very small, but I do love this blue and this shimmery tone. The bottoms are definitely cheeky. I asked for a large top and a small bottoms, and it doesn't even say what size these are. All of the the tags have been cut off. But you know, if she says this is a large, then I'll take it. Is this hot girl summer vibes? Because that's what I'm going for. Megan Thee Stallion approved hot girl summer vibes. I need to know. Also, don't be afraid to reuse the packaging that you get. Yay! How cute is this bag? I love the colors. I love the shape of it too. It's really nice. It's like a really good quality. Keeping this. Okay guys, looks like we're reaching the end here. It's classified. Sorry guys. Can't show you that one. Thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. I got some shoes. Bam, baby. These are brand spanking new. I got these because I really love I think they're called the bubble shoes that Unif sells. Those are definitely a lot more than 70 bucks. And I love that these ones have the ankle strap. For whatever reason, like the ankle straps on my legs just look really flattering. And I also love this rigid sole. These are so spectacular. I love these, and they're brand new. Like, I feel like you can't beat that. These are legit from like the late 90s, early 2000s. Okay, let's put these on now. They like wrap around like a big, I don't know. Ooh, she's gorgeous. I love these. They're so cute. This was fun. Let's do it again. Give me another excuse to go shopping, please. Okay, bye. See you next week.